Hi. Today, I will explain how the selection tool in Adobe Illustrator CC works. The selection tool, V, is the primary tool in Illustrator used to select and manipulate objects in your artwork. To select an object with the selection tool, simply click on it. You can select multiple objects by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each object, or by dragging a marquee around them. The selection tool can only select entire objects, so if you need to select specific paths or anchor points within an object, you'll need to use the direct selection tool, A, instead. When you select an object with the selection tool, a bounding box appears around it, indicating that it is selected. This bounding box can be used to resize, rotate, or move the object. To move an object with the selection tool, click and drag it to a new location on the artboard. You can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard to nudge the object by small increments. The selection tool can be used to transform objects in various ways. When you select an object, you'll see a series of handles appear